Well, this is a short little video today. This is a BMW 320D, which is a diesel. They usually make around 163 brake horsepower stock, and it's made 165, so it's a healthy one. And we've done a standard power run now, and we've also read the file off using our tool and software. The file's been edited, a bit more boost, a bit more fuel, and it's gone back on now. So now it's time to do a power run. So we've done the stock power run, and now we're going to do the tuned power run and see what power that we make. Now obviously it's diesel tuning, so it's fairly forgiving. So fingers crossed it'll just do really, really well on its first run, and if it doesn't, well, then back to the drawing board and we'll make some more alterations. But generally, stage 1 tuning, BMW, stock car, should do pretty well, dead easy. Okay, so there we go. Red line stock, blue line is tuned. Some great brake horsepower increases there, and we finish on 205 brake horsepower, which is great for a little tweak, ain't it? Standard car, and we've made some power there, so happy days. That's another one in the bag. Happy with that, Rich?
Yep, do the job.
Do the job, certainly do the job.
Yeah, do the job.
Cool. Well, thanks for watching our little video. And if you've got a BMW, give me a shout, we'll get it mapped. Diesel, of course. We're not mapping petrol BMWs.